This will be a speed test between the LG G7 ThinQ versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now both phones have the Snapdragon 845. G7 has 4 gigs of RAM, S9 Plus has 6. Both are on Android Oreo. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! So let's get started by tapping the messaging app. G7, camera on both phones. And give this to the S9 Plus. Calculator on both, S9 Plus. Clock on both phones. G7, go ahead and start the stopwatch on both. Leave that running in the background, Play Store. G7, go ahead and click on Uber. Leave it on that page. eBay on both. S9 Plus, click on this monitor. Leave it on that page. Baseball app. Give this to the S9 Plus. NBA app, let's go. And give this to the S9 Plus again. Chrome browser and the Samsung Internet browser, let's go. Search for Amazon. Go. And this one, pretty much similar. Scroll through this, nice and smooth on both. Go to the full site. And give this to the G7. Pinch to zoom. Give you an idea of the experience between the two. Leave it on that page. Super Mario Run. Loading on both, and ooh, call that one a tie. Tap to begin. And ooh, but the S9 Plus a little bit faster in the game. Close it out, Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Venice Beach. Both are loading right now, and give this to the G7. Tap to play. Close it out. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Lost Jungle. Both are loading. And ooh, very close, but I think the S9 Plus is ahead. Let's confirm that right now. And give this to the S9 Plus. Tap to play. Close it out. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on the S9 Plus. Will the G7 catch up? It does not, and give this win to the S9 Plus. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the S9 Plus first. And give this win to the S9 Plus. Instagram on both phones. S9 Plus. And Snapchat. S9 Plus again. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background as you can see. Now the S9 Plus has 2 extra gigs of RAM, so let's see how well the G7 can catch up. Instagram on both phones. There we go. CSR Racing 2. Paused and ready to resume on both devices. Angry Birds 2. Ready to go on both. Temple Run 2. Paused and ready to resume on both. Subway Surf. Paused and ready to resume on both also. Mario Run. Still in RAM. Nice. The internet browsers. Same place. NBA app. Same place. Baseball app. And I think we have a little bit of a delay on the left. eBay on both phones. Delay on the left. Play Store. Still in RAM. The clock on both phones, both still running the stopwatch. Calculator on both, and again another little stutter on the G7. The camera on both phones. A little bit of a delay on the G7. The messaging app. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Samsung Knight rocking the S9 or S9 Plus, Note 8, S8 and S8 Plus, these phones having alien tech? Or are you on team LG, the G7, the LG V30 from last year, one of the more underrated phones of recent times? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.